क्या करे या ना करे ये कैसी मुश्किल है, कोई तो बता दे इसका हल लो मेरे भाई. Do you finding a solution? You want to start your business and you are not knowing what to do. You are confused, you are puzzled, and you are finding a solution how to initiate, how to start your business, how to start your venture, but you are not getting that right direction, how to start that A point, how to initiate your A point, and you are almost confused, you are almost puzzled. So friends, here I am not going to tell you what business to do, but I would like to prepare yourself to start your business. So before starting any business, see to that why you want to do the business. The main focus here, identify your why. If you know the why you want to start your business, don't do like many others people are doing business, then you are doing the business. Don't do like that. First, you know yourself well why you want to do the business. If X is doing a business, if Y person is doing the business, then you are also doing the business. No, it is not like a trend going on. But if you seriously want to do the business and if you want to serve the people, then identify the why of your business. After you identify the why of your business, then go on what business you want to do, what type of business you want to do, and after what, then third comes how. That how you will initiate your business, how will you start your business. So these are three most important thing I would like to tell you: why, what, and how. Always go in this sequence only. First of all, why you want to do the business. Second, what kind of business you want to do, and third, how you want to do. Now see friends, now like on the social media there are many, you must have seen that many people are saying that do this online business, do start up your online digital marketing, do start off your affiliate marketing. You must have been seen. So don't see or don't do what others are doing. First focus on yourself. First identify what you are in best. Identify your niche. According to your niche only you start your business plan. Don't like someone else is doing, you also do the same business. No, don't do like that. First what, identify your forte in which you are best, and then initiate that business. For example, if I tell monkey to swim in water, he will not, because is not capability, he don't have that capability to swim. He will definitely will climb a tree. Similarly, every person is different. So if your interest, if your focus is different, then you definitely go on that interest only. Don't like whatever the trend is going on, so I also will like to do that same kind of business. No, if you don't have that forte, if you don't have that niche, if you don't have that inner capabilities to do so, please don't do it. And please be calm, be silent, and take your time. You know about your interest, know about what you can do the best, and then you start your business. See, business always have a mission and vision. Vision, if I say it, why you are starting that business, why you have started that business is a vision, and mission is how you will accomplish that vision. So mission and vision is the most strong two pillar of any business. So if you know the vision, because if you identify the vision, it will take you to the long run. Believe me, because business is not you're doing it for the short term, right? It is a long term. You have to do it for the long term. You have to focus it for a long term to go to achieve it. So your vision should be very strong. And if the customer know your vision, why you want to do the business, definitely everyone will be happy to join hand with you to increase your business. See, initially there might be very few customer who will follow you, who will get your product or whatever the service is. But don't be nervous, don't be in panic, be persistent in doing your business. Because see, right now your main aim is to delivering the value added product or the value added services. And then if you build that trust in customers mind, then definitely the customer will be with you for a long term relationship. Because take one example. Now if Apple company is well known, right? And if suppose Apple is introducing another product, so we know many of us are already trusting the Apple company, so definitely many customer will buy that product. So that trust is most important. Similar way, if you build your trust, that faith in customers mind, and after long run, like after 5 years, if you introduce any new product, that client will not evaluate or not think to buy the product from you, because he have that faith and he have that interest in you. So please, I would like to say, start from why of your business. Initiate your a from the starting point to why you want to do that business, and think about the long run, think about that vision, don't think about that short term goal. And first of all, first, don't think about money. Yes, like many people nowadays, we think that why they want to do business, to immediately get that money. No, don't think about the money. First, help to identify that you want to serve the people, you want to do something betterment of the society. You should not work for the money, money should work for you. That is the most important thing. I have just read some from that one of the book, which I have just recently read, that money should work for you. So be focused. Don't think right now about the money. Money will definitely follow you, my friends. Money is there if you do your good deeds, if you do your good things, if you build a trust in customers mind, if you give more value, more added services, product, or whatever it is, definitely the money will follow you, definitely the customer will follow you. And I would like to tell you here, don't get too much confused, don't get too much puzzled. Be calm, be silent before initiating any business. Think of all the plan, A plan, B plan, C plan. If A plan gets fail, then what next plan I can do? If B plan fail, then what next steps I can do? So please surround yourself with all those plan. There might be ups and downs, like business is there, you have to take the risk. So don't get panic with that risk. Definitely you have to take that risk, because you have to think out of the box, because business is not is always your doing being in a comfort zone. You have to get out of your comfort zone to start any new thing. And there is many people who will tell you to stop it, who will pull your legs, but don't listen to them. You just be focused, know your niche, what I would like to say here, and your interest, and then you see, my friend, you will definitely go a long way. So I will right now will just tell you, be confident in yourself, and all the best. Definitely you will take your business a long way. Thank you.